She's come up pretty good. Got a bit of a shine happening on the bonnet. She's got new tyres, new wheel nuts and all as per how they were. The carryall, I can fit the carryall on the trailer now, as you'll see in the video. You'll notice that I fitted a lifting sling up here. I can take that off any time. That won't scratch the paint on the roll frame here. But what that's about is that with the carryall, the trailer's a little bit short, and with the carryall lifted right up and held up with a ratchet strap, well, I can take the carryall to shows with me. So, which is something we'd been speaking of wanting to do. Which is a nice little tractor. Coming up alright. I haven't got any green grass to put it on for you. That's a Bearco distributor. I still have to put the new electronic ignition on yet, just to try it out. Champion spark plug caps. I like the look of them. A nice comfy Fergie cushion. Sparrex sell them worldwide. They fit on the Fergie seats okay. So that's just a bit of a walk around the gold tractor. You're looking okay. There's a little dent in the bonnet somewhere. I can't see it now. Annoys shit out of me some days. I've got 55 watt quartz halogen beams there. Down the front here, that's how we tie the tractor on. We just clip her onto there. We've got new wheels on the front, new wheels and tyres. New tyres only on the back. Actually they're new rims with the old centres. So we'll get in the nitty gritty parts of it for you, just so you can have a good look. That's where the regulator normally sits. With the alternator we don't have that anymore. I'm going to put something there though. I was thinking possibly a bracket for another toolbox or something. This is going to be the tractor that we're going to take to shows for a little while. It's going to have full registration. A flashing light, which I haven't put on yet. It'll be at the Kingaroy show in a fortnight. So that's about September 16, 2018. We're going to Kingaroy. That'll be its first outing. We're going there with the Fergie Club. So there you go. A little bit of wire. I haven't put the flashing light on yet. I don't need it on just yet, and I'm not that keen on the look of them, so I might go to Kingaroy without the flashing light hooked on and wired up. No need. We've got a bit of motley shade as the sun's coming through the trees. It's early morning and people are going past going to work, so there you go. Hope you've enjoyed watching it. There is a couple of little bits and pieces coming up, but we'll post them as they happen.